Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video, as you can see, I have something called Hakam. Hakam, I guess it's spelled Acam, Don't really know the spelling, but I tried to look it up online, can't get any information about it. But yeah, we call it Hakam here. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm going to turn it around and show you all about it. Hakam. It have a sprout. It have a tall sprout and it about 2 inch tall. Yes. I'm about to plant it. But try to look it up online. Don't get no trace of it online. It is a food just like yam. Yeah. But it bear on the vine. It don't bear on the root. It bear on the vine. Alright. So when you plant this now, it's gonna run like chocho. The vine is going to run up on a tree like chocho, and then it's gonna bear the fruit on the vine. The food is gonna bear on the vine. Yes. Yes, my viewers, but don't know if it have a next name, but we call it Akam. Yeah. It might be spelled Acam or Akam, but we spell it Acam. Alright. Don't know if anyone know this food here or know about it. Please, if you know about it, leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, if you know any information about it. Yeah, we call it Akam. Alright. And as you can see, I'm going to prepare a spot to plant it. Yeah, because it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. When we say Jamaican Farmers Hut, it's all about planting something. So it's been a while since I see this this food here. I call it food. It eat like yam. Yeah, it eat like yam. But it grow on the vine like how the chocho and the cucumber grow on the vine. Yeah. And get to understand, it eat like yam. Never eat it before, but this plant is a plant that if you going to plant this now and you dig the hole for it and you put it into the hole, if you put your hand like this, like you try to frighten it, when you try to frighten something, if you try to do it like this and then throw the dirt, the soil on it and plant it, when it bear, it's gonna bear with a 5 finger like this. Yeah. And well, old time people say if you bore in your hair, your hairs when when you put in the hearing, yeah, if you bore in your ears and this plant, this food is bearing on the tree, it's gonna grow behind your ears if you bore it at that time. Don't know how true it is. You never see a person with something on the back of them ears when them try to bore it. Yeah, yeah. Give you in Jamaican term. Yeah, you never see a person with something on the back of them ears, like them try to bore it and the skin grow. Yeah, them say it is because of the hakam time. Make the hakam grow on the ears. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, most people are afraid of it. And there is two type. You get to understand them have the bitter and the sweet one. It's just like the cassava. So this is the sweet one. Because I go somewhere in Senton and see a person with them and I said, whoa, how come? The person said, yeah, you can get one to plant. Yeah. So that's where I get it from. So I bring it here and said, okay, I'm gonna plant it in my farm. And I see a gentleman this morning and I bring it to him because everyone I see, bring it to them to get some info about the Akam. Yeah, well, I see a gentleman this morning and I bring it to him. And when him see it, him say, yeah man, Akam, long time I don't see it. I said, yes. He said, where you get this? I say, you know, say, I sent and me get it. Him say, if me plant it here, the whole place is going to full up with Akam because it's going to bear and drop and started to grow again. You know, that's how it work. So I said, okay, well, I guess I'm gonna plant it. Yeah. So this is the sweet one. Them have the sweet and them have the sour Akam. So this is the sweet one. So trust me, I have to plant this one. See if I can get a taste of it. But it eat like yellow yam. Yeah, it have the taste of yellow yam, the look of yellow yam when you peel it and so forth. You know what I mean? So it's been a while from I was a small boy. I used to see it, you know, my father used to plant it. You know, and we always take one and dig the hole, put it in and try to frighten it, and it always grow with the 5 finger. Yeah, so kind of have a little info about it. Yeah, but don't know the real spelling of it. Try to look it up online. Don't get any result. But we spell it. There's a lot of different spelling. Some Akame, some KHKCHAM, some ACAM. Don't know the right spelling, but I check every spelling online. There is no result. I see in different plant, you know. So it seems like it's me alone. It's going to put up a video on Akam, yeah, and I will be very glad to upload it. You know what I mean? So my viewers and my subscribers, when you see this food here, I don't know if you have any info, but if you have any info about it, you can drop it in the comment section. All right, yeah. And to all my viewers, if you don't subscribe as yet, it is time to subscribe, all right? As you can see, I'm boiling, yeah? Reaching to the point, the boiling point, yeah, of no returns, as you can see. So, you know, when you're reaching the gold, this gold, you know, there is something else you have to carry with you, don't it? Yes. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers and my unsubscribers, it is time to subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, you know, most of the time my words not really lapse, it collapse, it turn over sometime. Yeah, yeah man, you don't know it's all about Jamaica. When you say Jamaica, yeah, the real patois. As you can see here, me have a Akam. Yeah. So after me plant it and it started to bear, I'm going to do a next video on it to let you guys know what is going on with the Akam. Alright. And if you watch a video and you want an update on it, you can drop it in the comment section and I will get that update of that video back to you. Alright. So my viewers and my subscribers, again, thank you very much for making me reach this level, you know, on YouTube. It's all about my viewers and my subscribers and my subscribers. I have to thank you a lot. You know, many thanks to you guys. I couldn't reach this far without you guys, alright? So yes. At this time, it's all about Akam. It's all about Akam, my people. As you can see, it bear like yam seed. Some people call it yam seed. Yeah. Some people call it yam seed. You know, when the renter yam is bearing on the vine, there is some lot of seed like this on the vine. Yeah, so some people call it yam seed. Yeah, because on the renter yam, when my father used to plant renter, and on the vine there was some big seed like this. We used to peel them, put them into pot. Very nice. You don't want them finished, man. Yeah. So trust me, I tell you. It's all about farming. It's all about planting something, right? Yeah, you have to plant something. It doesn't matter where you live, you know? You could be living space. You can plant something. There's a lot of people have plant in their bathroom, them kitchen, all about, You can plant anywhere, man. It's just you have to put it near to the sunlight some of the time, and you make sure it have water. You know what I mean? And you're good to go. Take for instance, the Cinco Bible, aloe vera. It doesn't matter all the time it's dry, the aloe vera is very pretty. Yes, very beautiful, very green, and Jotizan. Yeah, the aloe vera is a plant that you don't have to water it for it to pretty, you know what I mean? Yeah, but give it some sunlight now and then, it is very good. So you can plant. You can plant into a bucket, plant into a TV box, you can plant into a fridge, anything at all. You get to plant something. You can plant into a basin, a plate, anything at all, into a cup. Yeah, once you plant something into soil, it will grow. You know what I mean? Yeah. Say you hear it on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright? So don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright? Yes, and don't forget to check out my channel. My next channel, I have 3 other channels. Alright, so don't forget to check them out. Laugh and Relationship TV, yes, to laugh all your worries away. You know what I mean? Yeah. And Nature of Life TV, yes, it's all about nature. It's all about Mother Nature, alright? And then Ever Slick Media, that's where I put up all my media. You know what I mean? Ever Slick Media, so you can check it out also. But yes, right now you're watching Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? So if you're new here, if you're just joining in, my name is Ever Slick. Alright? So I'm gonna be out for now. So stick around to see the next video coming out. Okay? So if you feel like watch a next video, you can watch this one over here. But if you watch this one already, you can watch this one down here. Alright, my viewers? Peace and love. Ever Slick. Cutting out.